Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready to play a more or less card game? There's a few things you need to do. You need to make sure you have a partner, and you need the cards that should be in the resource area. Pause the video if you need to get those things. All right. The first thing you need to do is stack the cards face down in the middle. See how these two friends have their cards face down? Go ahead and do that. So here's partner one, and here's partner two. Partner one's going to flip his card over. Ooh. And then partner two is going to flip her card over. Who has more? That's right. Partner two has more. So partner two gets to keep both cards. Let's play again. There's partner one's card. Here's partner two's card. Who has more? That's right. Partner one has more. So he gets to keep both cards. You are going to keep playing until all of the cards are gone. When you're done, you can switch up the game and you can do less. Whoever has less wins. Have fun.